Hey there! This short video will walk you through how to handle a diagnostic job and how to build out your customer's quote when you've completed the diagnostic. Let's get started. You're on site and working, so now what? Now that you've figured out what needs to be repaired, click the Complete Diagnostic button. This will allow you to build out an estimate for any added service repairs that need to be done. Okay, we have two options here. One, if they don't need you to do anything else, just tap the No Estimate Needed button. This will close out the ticket, charge their card, and you can be on your way. Don't forget to fill out the notes. Or two, tap the Build Estimate button to build out the customer's estimate to fix the issues you've identified and get approval to move forward. Important note, if for some reason the customer doesn't want you to do the recommended repairs and is the reason you are submitting an estimate, you must document what the recommended repairs were in the notes section and why they were declined. Failure to document your visit and the reasons why the customer didn't want you to do more work may lead to getting kicked off the AutoMonkey platform or worse, and we'd prefer that not to happen. Okay, let's choose the repairs we need to do. Simply scroll through the list and select any items you need. If you don't see the option needed, choose Other and manually fill it out. For this demo though, we're going to choose Alternator and Brakes and Rotors. Now click Next. This screen shows all the category services you chose in the previous section. You will need to fill out every line, otherwise you'll get an error at the end when you try to click Submit. First, fill out the repair description and labor time it'll take you. If you're unsure how much time to charge, call or text the estimating team for help. The labor rate field is auto-filled for you. This rate is dictated by AutoMonkey. Next, fill in the parts line description, complete with brand, description, and parts number. This is for fulfillment reasons. Then, for the parts price, use the retail price, not the wholesale price that is shown on AutoZone Pro's app or website. Again, if you need help with this, please call or text estimating. You may have noticed the box that says Reverse Diagnostic Fee. If you'd like to reverse the diagnostic charges, click the Reverse Diagnostic square. This action will automatically put a credit towards the customer's total invoice, and it'll also reduce the labor hours you get paid out by 1 hour. The estimator will allow you to add and subtract categories and/or line items for detailed pricing and transparency reasons. This can be really advantageous if the customer says no to one service but still wants you to perform another. For example, maybe you've put together the estimate and showed the pricing to the customer and then they decided not to have the brakes changed, or maybe they simply want to supply their own parts. To fix this, you can simply tap the minus button to remove the line item or the category completely. All right, now it's time to tap that Send Estimate button. Whew, I know. It'll take you roughly 5 minutes to fill this out depending on the level of diagnostic and everything that needs to be done. But now that it's all done and filled out and has been sent to the customer, really the only thing left is prompting the customer to open their app and authorize the estimate so you can finish up their ticket. To some, this step may seem arbitrary, but it's a vital part, because doing the work without written authorization and approval from the customer may mean you end up doing the work for free, and nobody wants that. Once the customer has approved the added work, you'll see the notification on your app. You'll need to pick this back up and work the repair just like any other service request. Hey, thanks for being a rockstar technician. Let's go do this thing and make some more money. Again, if you need anything, please call or text us if you have any questions or get stuck. We are here to help. Be safe out there.